Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new on here, you're welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always tuning in. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make this ginger drink for your guts, for your health, for listen, if you have cough, if you this ginger drink is the best. So you have you just need only two ingredients, honestly, just ginger and lemon. So we are going to squeeze in some lemon and keep that aside, and then we are going to wash our ginger. You don't need to peel anything, everything. If you know how medicinal ginger is, then you just don't have to peel anything but wash it very well. So I washed my ginger very well, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that with my blender. I'm going to add little water. Make sure you don't add too much water. I'm going to leave everything in the measurements. I'll give you guys kind of like a measurement. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like eyeballed it because I already know how to make it and all. But I'm going to give you guys the measurement in the description box, so you guys are going to get it there. This is the healthiest. Listen, if you want to curb your appetite, like if you're on diet, or if you're trying to train yourself to not eat a whole lot, this is going to be good for you because it helps make you feel like make you feel full. So yeah, that's what I use. I drink it in the morning before I even take water in the morning or anything, and I drink it like in the towards the evening time, just so I don't get hungry or I don't feel hungry. And I just, because sometimes you're just not hungry, you just want something to put in your belly, and that's why they recommend drinking water a whole lot, and you will find out that you're actually not hungry. You're just kind of like, oh, I'm not actually hungry, I think I just need water. So this helps a lot, and it helps, like with my kids when they have cough, I give them a shot, and it helps a whole lot. You're just going to go ahead and blend all of that in, and after blending, you're going to go ahead and sieve that. um this sieve I think I got this one from Shane. I don't know, I can't even remember, but yeah. So you're going to go ahead and sieve all of that because you just don't want the seed and all of those things in it. So you're just going to go ahead and sieve everything out, make it as smooth as possible, as smooth as you can get. And you're going to go ahead and fill that up. And I use this cup that I got from Amazon. It will be linked in my Amazon storefront, and you will see that in the description box. So I use that cup to fill everything up, and you're going to store this in your fridge. And you guys, this is amazing. So do go ahead and try it and let me know if you did in the comment section. And yeah, I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Stay healthy, stay blessed. See you.